Hey, how you doing, everybody? Welcome back to Big Frog's 4x4. Today, we're going to be changing the fuel filters in the Colorado ZR2. Right, the first thing you're going to want to do is remove your little drain plug here. And it should just be hand tight. You should be just like I did. I didn't loosen this with pliers or anything first. Alright, once that's pretty much done draining, I'm going to grab a 27mm socket. And gently screw your filter housings out. And make sure you have a large pan underneath this, because it's going to splatter and it's going to make a bit of a mess. So you don't want like a little bucket, you want to have a regular size oil pan underneath your vehicle. It's always a good idea to wear some kind of safety gloves. You don't want to get oil and fuel in your hands. It's not good for you. So go out and buy yourself some cheap gloves or these like nitrile gloves from Harbor Freight. Once you have them unscrewed, you just gently pull down on them, and they'll pop out. Screw your new filter up in. Make sure that you have fuel all the way around this seal, or you can put oil, and make sure this is lubricated. Your O-ring that's on there. Screw that up in. Pull this one out. See what it looks like now? Look at that one. Pretty big difference. Simply just screw your filters back up in. When you screw these back up in, you do not need to over tighten them. Just pull them back in, there, touch bottom, give it a little bit of snug, and that's it. That's all it needs. Just like the oil filter for your engine oil. Same type of deal. Touch the bottom, give it a snug, and that's it. Once again, just screw that up in and hand tighten it. Make sure that O-ring has some kind of lubrication on it. And that's it for underneath the truck. Alright, next you want to climb up into the cab and cycle the key a few times on and off. And that way you can prime the fuel pump. Alright, I'm going to climb out and hopefully you can hear the fuel pump. Alright, we're going to cycle the key one more time. When you do that, you want to make sure there's no more air cycling through the fuel filters and back into the tank. All right, I don't hear anything else, so we're going to fire it up. All right, then you want to go through your menu till you get to the fuel filter. I'm going to scroll over to reset. There you go. And that's how you change the fuel filters in the 2017 Colorado ZR2 with the 2.8 liter Duramax diesel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified of every video that comes out, make sure you hit that bell down below. There will be a link in the description to the parts. God bless.